It's recently been payday, and always every single month, a couple of days after I get paid from my 9-to-5 job, I always try to make some investments, just as a habit now really. I don't actually have them set up as coming out as direct debit every month because I just like to be able to control the amount and what I invest in just manually really. I enjoy doing that, and it gives me a sense of satisfaction as well every single month. So yeah, I just thought I'm going to film it today and show you guys exactly what I'm investing into. I'm going to be investing into my ISA account that I have on Interactive Brokers, and we're going to be buying 3 different stocks today. I'm actually kind of lying. I've just lied to you a little bit because I haven't put more money into this account this month. I actually never invested the whole amount that I put in last month. So I have some money plus some dividends that I've been paid already in here. So I'm just going to use most of that up. And then I may do another lot of investing like during this month, or maybe wait until next month. I don't know. But we're going to get rid of some of this money that's just currently sitting as cash. And like I said, I've actually been paid some dividends. So that's super, super exciting. I'll do a whole separate video tracking them and showing you how I'm actually tracking them myself on a spreadsheet, because it's really important to get them dividends reinvested. If you don't get them reinvested, then you don't get the power of compounding through them dividend reinvesting. And if you look into it at all, you'll see how important reinvesting your dividends is for growth and your future portfolio. So we're definitely going to do that today. Okay, so yeah, you can see here I've got £543.09 buying power. So we're going to use some of that up. So let's go on to my portfolio. I've already decided what I'm buying, so there's not really much decision here. I know exactly what I'm buying, and I've got it all noted down on my phone. So the first thing I want to buy is good old VUSA, Vanguard's S&P 500 tracker. If you didn't know, I'm sure you did know. You can currently see my position in this, but I'm just going to buy more today. And I'm not an investor that really cares about trying to time the best time to buy. Every single month I go in, some months are higher, some are lower, I just go in and buy. So we're going to buy, and I want to buy 3 shares, market. Just making sure this is all okay. I'm gonna preview my order, and I've got down here that it should cost around £195.51 when I looked yesterday. It's coming out as 196, so that's just the fluctuation in the day. That's absolutely fine. And you can see the commission charge here as well. It's an estimate. It'll go through properly once I've submitted it. So let's transmit that. Order has been submitted, and it will go through tomorrow because we're out of trading hours. So I'll check it's all gone through tomorrow. And yeah, you'll see this trade light up now because there's trades waiting to go through. The next one I'm going to buy more of is National Grid. So a dividend paying stock. These are all dividend paying stocks in my portfolio. So let's buy more of this. And how many do I want? I want 14 shares. Again, market preview. I put down yesterday that it'll be about 150. So it's coming up as 151. It obviously prices have gone up a little bit today compared to when I last looked, but never mind. In the long run, this doesn't matter. So the commission estimate is between 1 and 117. Again, that's absolutely fine. What I'm trying to do with this portfolio is purchase larger quantities in one go because of the commission charge. It's slightly higher than it was on Vanguard, but you also get like a cap. I won't go into all this, but you can take a look at my previous videos if you're interested in how Interactive Brokers charge and their fee structure. So let's submit this. Without market data, that's fine. Order has been submitted. It will also go through tomorrow. And we've got one more to do. And the last one that I'm buying today is Unilever, which is a company that I recently added to my portfolio, a fantastic dividend company. So let's buy more of this. And I believe it was free. Yeah. Want to buy 3 shares of Unilever. And it should be about £155. So let's just make sure. 118. So yeah. Transmit. So now if I go to my trade. Oh, Interactive Brokers have added crypto plant. I don't even know if that was a thing before, but it's new. Anyway, so orders and trades, you can see that these are the ones I've just put in, and they will go through I assume tomorrow. So that's really exciting. The portfolio is growing. If we go back to the home tab, the buying power has not yet gone down because them trades haven't gone through. But we can see that, let me see here, £543.9, and how much have I just spent roughly? Oh, it doesn't tell me. Okay, well, either way, that will get rid of a big bulk of that amount, not all of it, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to put more money into this portfolio and then spend more in one go. Like I said, I'm trying to reduce them commission fees as much as possible, so making really small trades is probably not the best option. I think the video coming up after this one is going to be a portfolio update on my Interactive Brokers ISA portfolio, so keep your eyes peeled for that one.